So hi family, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm actually here to let you know what's been happening. I have some new channel updates and I'm going to be letting you know what's going to be changing on the channel. So stick around, watch till the end. I'll be seeking for some opinions, of course, at the end. I need your opinions, I need your suggestions, I need to hear your comments and know what you think about whatever I'm going to be discussing. So first of all family, I want to thank you so much for the support. But of course, before we go into the video, if you're watching for the first time, don't forget of course to subscribe so you can become part of this family. Let's just go right into the video. Like, we are in quarantine, like you guys all know, we are in quarantine. To be honest, I think I'm not the only person who has put on some quarantine body. Oh my god. Like quarantine weight, oh my goodness, quarantine weight is a problem. I've been working out, doing fitness at home to just try to see that I beat quarantine weight, but I still have 2 more kilograms to go down to my weight before quarantine, and I'm still struggling to cut this off. So you guys, you're gonna be seeing also some videos of me doing exercises and fitness routines that I follow on YouTube. Of course, there are other different channels that I follow their routines and do them at home, so they help me to lose this weight, because as we all know, oh my god, food is all around us, snacks are all over the place, they are all over the house. Like wherever you turn around there is a snack. There is no way I'm gonna escape quarantine weight. And so that's the problem I'm facing right now. So you guys, I'm just gonna be showing you all these videos also that I follow, the channels I follow in my exercise routine. So if you guys are interested in watching actually videos of me exercising so you can be motivated also to lose this quarantine weight. It could also not be quarantine weight, it could be that you generally just want to lose weight, you just want to keep healthy, you want to keep fit. So if you want to do that, you just let me know in the comment section below so I can also post those videos, because I have been actually capturing everything that I've been doing, also like other videos of training and all that stuff, but I have been posted them. This channel is ours family, so I needed to ask you for permission if you're interested in something like that or in such content, so you guys can also be motivated. Like, yeah, oh my god, I've also put on the weight. Of course, I've put on the weight. It's been a lot in quarantine. Like full-time housewife. Because we are at home, kids are at home, husband is at home, so that's like a full-time housewife now. I'm not going to work now, kids are not going to school, you have to do everything like a normal full-day work. And now the kids are at home, so we have homeschooling. That has also been a headache and we have been dealing with. I know that there are so many other parents who right there, you are also watching me, you guys are also going through the same. Oh my goodness, give me some tips. How are you handling it? I'm really trying so hard to handle this. I'm trying to handle this, but it's hard. How do you handle that? How are you doing it? If you guys have some skills, some tricks that you can give me so I can use also to teach my child, I'll be very, very grateful. She needs a lot of concentration. I'm also trying to work on that. There is a lot of things to distract her at home, you know, so concentrating on studying and all that stuff is also not easy. And remember, I also have school to prepare for. I'm also always learning, doing this, doing that, and Happy is in home office. He's always in meetings and doing this and doing that. So it's a lot of craziness going around the child, and I understand if they can't concentrate. So if there are other parents in the comment section below who are in my situation, you have your kids at home, you're in quarantine and you're doing homeschooling, I'll appreciate the tips that you will give me. Please let me know in the comment section below if you have any tips or any ways that you're doing it to teach your child at home if you're in quarantine too. Oh my god family, the channel updates, thank you so much. This channel can never be without you. We can never reach where we are without you guys. Initially when I started the channel, I pledged that I'll be posting for you 3 times a week, but as it is, for the past few months I've failed to catch up with the 3 months because of the schedule and everything, the craziness that is going on around the world. And I know in the next few months it's not gonna change, but it's gonna get more tighter. So I am asking family, is it okay if I post 2 times a week, because I think it's better to stay consistent than to put so many days of posting and you can't be consistent on them. So I'm gonna be posting 2 times a week, and I'm gonna be posting, so Wednesday and Saturday 6 p.m. Is always gonna be our posting days. So if you're my old subscriber, turn on the bell so you don't miss any of my next videos, because this is gonna be like consistently posted on these days and at that time of the day. So the other thing I would like to inform you about, family, is like, of course, I'm gonna be posting reactions, but I'm gonna be doing 1 reaction per week and then post other content from me, which is my original content, on the other second day. So it's gonna be like, there will be some weeks where I'll post maybe only my original content in a week if I don't do a reaction, and then I go back to the normal thing. But I just want to let you know so you don't get a surprise that you get a notification from me and then you see, oh my god, it's not a reaction, I'm only interested in her reactions, because I know I have a lot of people who are interested in my reaction videos. Of course, I have a lot of people also who are interested in my personal content, or just like me the way I am, for who I am, and whatever I post they watch. I also have those people, and I love you so much, guys. I love you for that love. I'm so super grateful for that. For the future of the channel and for the best of the channel, of course, I would like to keep posting my original content, because as we know, reaction videos carry music that is not our original content, because this music we react to has its original owners and it has its own like laws over copyright and this and that. So that's also not safe for the channel. That's also not safe for the channel. So for the safety and for the better of the channel, I want to also keep like the way I was doing before. I had fashion hauls on here, I had beauty, which was more about skincare, and now I'm gonna add on hair, because as you guys can see, I'm on a natural hair journey. I cut my hair off and turned natural, so I'm trying to grow it natural, like as naturally as possible without any chemicals and heat. So I'm gonna be showing you this journey and taking you through this process. So if you're also struggling to grow hair, or you have hair loss problem, hair damage problem, you have dandruff, itchy scalp, I'm gonna be doing all those natural treatments with the natural homemade remedies, and I'll be showing you all that, or different oils that I use, and I hope that it can also help you in that problem. My next video is gonna be how I make my aloe vera hair moisturizer for extra hair growth. So if you're interested in that, of course, turn on the bell so you know when it's uploaded. Before that, of course, I was talking about beauty, hair, and skincare. Like before, I used to do facials and all that. I'm gonna be showing you all that, guys, again. So I'm gonna be showing you fashion hauls. I'm gonna be taking you through lifestyle. I'm gonna be showing you a lot of different things like that, all those natural homemade remedies that I use every day on a daily basis. And the other thing that is new that I'm gonna be introducing on this channel, it's gonna be feminine hygiene. We have a lot to share and to catch up. Okay, so I think that's all I wanted to give you guys in the video. Of course, I would like to ask you if you think it's really okay that I only post 2 times a week instead of the 3 that I had pledged before, because it's a lot going on, family, and I can't handle it, and I don't want to keep running off and on. I want to do something like I can still manage and we can all be happy, and yeah, I don't get lost in the middle of everything like with a crazy head. I love shooting videos. Of course, this is something I can't do without, so I just have to see to get a balance between family, education, career, homeschooling my child and her education, of course. So if you see that I've changed, I edited the channel, of course, don't wonder. So after posting this video, of course, I'll wait for your feedback, family, in the comment section below. Of course, if you're new or watching for the first time, please subscribe so you can be part of this family. This family needs you. We can never be complete without you, so welcome to the family. Please just hit the subscription button, and if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video, just turn on that notification bell. That's the only way you can be notified. Leave us a like and a comment, and I'll be very, very grateful.